The 5 Biggest Lies in Affiliate Marketing Exposed. Welcome to this eye-opening presentation where we're going to expose the 5 biggest lies that are being spread throughout the affiliate marketing industry right now. If you've spent any time researching affiliate marketing, you've probably been bombarded with bold claims about quick earnings, minimal effort, and secret traffic sources that guarantee success. You've seen the flashy social media posts, the income screenshots, and the promises of easy money. But here's the question we need to ask. How much of it is actually true? The reality is that affiliate marketing is often painted as the ultimate easy money hustle. Scroll through any social media platform and you're bound to encounter these bold claims about overnight success and untapped opportunities. But behind all the hype and glamorous success stories lies a very different reality. Recently, ClickBank sparked a crucial conversation by addressing the 5 biggest lies circulating in the affiliate marketing world. As one of the largest affiliate networks in the industry, they've seen it all: the good, the bad, and the downright misleading. Whether you're just getting started in affiliate marketing or you're a seasoned marketer looking to refine your strategies, this presentation is going to be a game changer for you. We're going to peel back the curtain on the industry's biggest myths and discover what really works in 2025 and beyond. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear understanding of the realities of affiliate marketing, and more importantly, you'll know how to build a legitimate, profitable affiliate business based on proven strategies rather than empty promises. I'm Tim Hewitt, and I'm excited to share these insights that can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Lie number 1. Affiliate marketing is easy money. Let's start with the biggest and most damaging lie in the affiliate marketing industry: that it's easy money. If affiliate marketing seems like an effortless way to earn passive income, that's because the highlight reels dominate the narrative. Successful affiliate marketers often share their wins on social media, creating the illusion of easy money. But the truth? Affiliate marketing is simple in concept but rarely easy in practice. Here's what's really required to succeed in affiliate marketing. First, time and patience. It takes months of consistent effort to generate meaningful income. You need to expect to invest significant time in learning content strategies, building traffic sources, and nurturing conversions. This isn't something that happens overnight, regardless of what the flashy ads might tell you. Second, testing and optimization. Affiliate marketing thrives on data. A/B testing your copy, refining your ad targeting, and constantly optimizing your offers are non-negotiable if you want consistent revenue. You'll need to become comfortable with analytics, conversion tracking, and making data-driven decisions. Third, continuous education. Keeping up with trends and platform updates is critical. What worked in 2020 won't necessarily work in 2025. The digital landscape changes rapidly, and successful affiliates are always learning and adapting their strategies. The reality is that building a profitable affiliate marketing business requires the same dedication and effort as any other legitimate business. There are no shortcuts to sustainable success. The affiliates who are earning significant income have put in months or years of consistent work, learning, testing, and refining their approach. Don't let this discourage you. Affiliate marketing can absolutely be profitable, but it's important to approach it with realistic expectations and a commitment to doing the work required for success. Lie number 2. High-ticket offers are always the most profitable. The second major lie we need to address is the belief that high-ticket offers are always the most profitable choice for affiliate marketers. A $900 per sale commission offer sounds like a dream until you realize the effort required to convert even a single customer. High-ticket offers often demand specialized knowledge, extensive trust building, or incredible value propositions, which can actually deter potential buyers. Here's what really matters when evaluating affiliate offers. First, ROI matters most. You need to focus on return on investment, not just commission size. A high commission means nothing if you can't generate consistent sales or if your advertising costs eat up all your profits. Second, audience fit is crucial. Products your audience actually needs and wants will always convert better than high-priced items that don't align with their interests or budget. Understanding your audience deeply is more valuable than chasing big commissions. Third, look at earnings per click. This is a much better indicator of profitability than commission amounts alone. You might find that a $50 commission product that converts at 5% is far more profitable than a $500 commission product that converts at 0.5%. The truth is that the highest paying offers don't necessarily yield the most profit. A lower priced product with higher conversion rates may earn you significantly more than a high-ticket offer that rarely converts. The key is finding offers that align with your audience's needs while maintaining sustainable conversion rates. Sometimes a $47 product that your audience loves and buys consistently will make you far more money than a $2,000 product that sells once every few months. Focus on building trust with your audience and promoting products that genuinely solve their problems, regardless of the commission size. Lie number 3, AI will do all the work for you. Now let's tackle one of the newest and most pervasive lies in affiliate marketing, that AI will do all the work for you. The rise of AI has been a game changer in the world of marketing. From automating keyword research to writing sales copy, tools like Jasper, Artimo, and ChatGPT promise to revolutionize affiliate marketing workflows. But here's the reality check. These are tools, not complete solutions. Let's break down what AI can and cannot do. For content creation, AI can help generate video scripts, text posts, blog posts, ad copy, images, and SEO descriptions. However, this content requires human refinement to truly connect with audiences. AI-generated content often lacks the nuanced understanding of your specific audience that drives real conversions. For data analysis, tools like Google Analytics leverage machine learning for advanced audience insights. But interpreting that data and turning it into actionable strategies still requires human expertise. AI can show you the numbers, but you need to understand what they mean for your business. Most importantly, the human touch is still required. AI tools still lack the nuanced understanding of human psychology and market dynamics that successful marketers possess. Copy generated by AI often requires significant tweaking to resonate with a real audience and drive actual sales. The smart approach is to leverage AI as an assistant, not a replacement. Use AI to speed up research, generate first drafts, and analyze data. But always add your human insight, experience, and understanding of your audience to create content that truly converts. Platforms like ClickFunnels with built-in AI can be very useful for streamlining your workflow. Just remember that AI doesn't replace your content strategy, it supplements it. The most successful affiliate marketers use AI to enhance their productivity while maintaining the human connection that drives trust and sales. Lie number 4, certain traffic sources are dead. The fourth lie we need to debunk is the common claim that certain traffic sources are dead and no longer worth pursuing. One common refrain in the affiliate marketing community is that Facebook ads are too expensive, email marketing is outdated, SEO is too slow, or that video content doesn't work anymore. But is that really the case? The truth is that no traffic source truly dies. They evolve. What works changes over time, and successful marketers adapt their strategies accordingly. Let's look at some supposedly dead traffic sources. Facebook ads. While costs have risen due to increased competition, Facebook still boasts a massive user base and some of the most advanced targeting options available. The key is adapting your approach to current best practices and audience behaviors. Email marketing. Despite being labeled as outdated by some, email marketing consistently ranks among the highest ROI channels for affiliates. The difference is in how you use it. Modern email marketing is about relationship building, not just promotional blasts. Organic SEO. Some dismiss SEO as too slow-moving for affiliate marketing, but evergreen content can deliver results for years. The key is understanding current SEO best practices and creating content that provides genuine value. Lie number 5. Affiliate marketing is a scam. Finally, let's address the fifth and perhaps most damaging lie: that affiliate marketing itself is a scam. For many newcomers, skepticism abounds. With all the misleading ads and exaggerated claims flooding social media, it's easy to wonder if affiliate marketing is just a glorified pyramid scheme or get-rich-quick scam. Here's how to separate legitimate opportunities from scams. Watch out for overnight success claims. Genuine affiliate marketing opportunities require work, patience, and skill development. Any program promising instant riches is likely misleading you. Avoid vague programs. Be wary of platforms with unclear payout terms, hidden costs, or vague descriptions of what you'll actually be promoting. Legitimate affiliate programs are transparent about their terms and expectations. Lack of transparency is a major red flag. Be cautious of programs that hide costs, require large upfront investments, or won't clearly explain how you'll earn money. Real affiliate marketing is straightforward. You promote products and earn commissions on sales. The truth is that affiliate marketing is a legitimate business model. Many of the world's largest companies, including Amazon, use affiliate programs to drive sales. When done correctly, it's a win-win situation where companies get more customers and affiliates earn commissions for successful referrals. Like any industry, affiliate marketing has bad actors who prey on the uninformed. But the business model itself is legitimate, competitive, and can be profitable when approached correctly. The key is doing your research. Stick with programs from highly reputable sources, understand the terms clearly, and approach any flashy promises with healthy skepticism. Focus on building real skills and providing genuine value to your audience rather than looking for shortcuts or secret systems. How to succeed in affiliate marketing. Now that we've exposed the lies, let's talk about what actually works for building a successful affiliate marketing business. Success in affiliate marketing comes down to 4 key principles. First, invest in education. Learn from reputable sources and commit to staying updated with industry changes. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it business. Successful affiliates are constantly learning and improving their skills. Second, find your niche. Focus on areas you understand and genuinely enjoy. Your passion and knowledge will come through in your content and marketing, making you more trustworthy and effective with your audience. Third, test and optimize everything. Let data guide your decision-making rather than assumptions or hopes. Track your results, identify what's working, and double down on successful strategies while eliminating what doesn't work. Fourth, adapt continuously. Stay flexible as platforms and markets evolve. The affiliate marketers who thrive long-term are those who embrace change and adapt their strategies to new opportunities and challenges. Affiliate marketing thrives on realistic expectations, adaptability, and consistent effort. By avoiding the commonly perpetuated myths we've discussed and focusing on sustainable strategies, you can build a profitable business in this dynamic industry. Success requires committing to continuous learning and improvement. The affiliates who thrive are those who approach the business with patience and persistence, understanding that building a profitable affiliate business is a marathon, not a sprint. They test different approaches, analyze the results carefully, and refine their strategies based on real data rather than hype or promises. This methodical approach might not be as exciting as the get-rich-quick promises, but it's what actually works in the real world. Your next steps in affiliate marketing. So where do you go from here? How do you start building a legitimate, profitable affiliate marketing business? If you're ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, I want to recommend focusing on proper education and proven strategies rather than chasing the latest shiny object or supposed shortcut. Our flagship training program teaches you the real fundamentals of affiliate marketing success. We focus on tried and true methods that actually work, and we can teach you how to be successful in what we call the core 4 online businesses: high-ticket affiliate marketing, e-learning and course creation, events and masterminds, and coaching. Here's what makes our approach different. We start with a 5-lesson challenge that gives you hands-on experience with real strategies. This isn't theory. It's practical training that you can implement immediately. We focus on the 4 core online business models that have proven track records of success. These aren't experimental strategies. They're time-tested approaches that work when implemented correctly. Most importantly, we back everything with a 100% money-back guarantee. This is a risk-free opportunity to test legitimate training and see if our methods work for you. We can get you started for just $17 with our 5-lesson challenge. If you're not completely satisfied with the training and results, we'll give you back your money. No questions asked. You can find the link to get started in the description below. But remember the most important lesson from today's presentation. Affiliate marketing success comes to those who take consistent action based on proven strategies, not those who chase the next easy money scheme. The lies we've exposed today are designed to prey on people's desire for quick results and easy money. But now you know the truth. Real success in affiliate marketing comes from education, hard work, testing, and persistence. The opportunity is real, but so is the work required. Are you ready to build a legitimate affiliate marketing business the right way? Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you succeed in affiliate marketing by following proven strategies rather than falling for the industry's biggest lies.